Brigadeiro with just 3 ingredients, no heat, and no condensed milk. Here I'm using 200 grams of chocolate. I'll put it in the microwave until it starts to melt. Leave it for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. Now let's mix everything together well. With the chocolate melted, let's add some heavy cream. Guys, it's important to use cream with whey here. Once done, let's mix it all together thoroughly. And this, folks, is the perfect consistency. I'll add some peanuts, but use any filling you like. If you don't like it, skip it or use powdered milk instead. It's your choice. Now take a small amount with a spoon and start shaping. Repeat the process with the rest of our Brigadeiro, then transfer it to a container. We'll refrigerate it until it's chilled. There you have it, folks. Brigadeiro without heat or condensed milk. Super easy, quick, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs. See you next time, and thanks.